Very good guy.
Okay. Smash? Yeah.
I wanted to see you again in Moscow. Hope to come back soon.
Thank you. Thank you, Lauren.
Lawrence, we are from Republic of Komi. This is something like Magyar on the Ural of Russia. So what is your impression of Moscow?
It's my second time in Moscow and I pretty much like it. I've been in some venues and played some concerts and it's pretty interesting to be here and I'm really glad that I experienced this.
Good. Your concert was very beautiful and you surprised me with your music and your installation and with your will to to win, your will to win. So, and do you know something about Finno-Ugric people in Russia, like Komi?
Yes. I've studied some stuff about really, there are some bigger ones and there are some tiny little villages where there are people having these Finno-Ugric roots that are the same roots of Hungarians, and it's a really interesting thing that we are Hungary and we came all the way from this part of the world, and there is certainly a kind of relation.
You surprised me again. So, and will you visit Syktyvkar, the capital of Republic of Komi, Syktyvkar, with your concert program?
I don't know. Maybe I will go there. Maybe
Someone.
yeah, maybe sometime.
So
when I have some time. Or
Thank you.
when somebody
This is
invites.
it will be posted, yeah, Romash, правильно?
Posted.
In Komi Komi TV channel.
Okay. Send it to me
Thank
on
you.
Facebook. Thank you.
Thank you. В общем, давай. В общем, Dona телезрителя стал мне почтом интервju. Mian Magyar Jortlish, Lorenzi Barabash, si vopse stalo un zelo interesna muzika, slas truba nas и бичаме електронна музика нас. В общем, ми си е скором Сyktyvkar, си е продезвиш там короктас, но корка лоптас. Так что годам се е свитчишне и те вермане, гашка корка си е скъвзане, веш къда. В общем, видите и Komi TV канал, короче Komi, да къвзай Лоренц Барабашце. Контактен да бъдлен кънете верманет. А тя е не буде да истина, да шайт. Короче Komi TV канал да. Да бурсе. Вислат.